Everybody, video here for you tonight. Cheers, hope everybody's doing good. Just a huge thanks to all the people who have sent suggestions for videos. I'd say about 1 out of every 4 or 5 videos on my channel is by request. I like answering viewer mail, but here is the guy that we have all come to know, Zahi Hawass. I get a lot of good ideas from my subs for videos. Keep on sending me the information. I read them all. Sometimes I don't reply. I'm a little overwhelmed by YouTube. But this story came out maybe about 2 months ago. Zahi Hawass Tutankhamun Opera opens September at Cairo Open House. This story was written about 2 months ago, but I find it interesting that Mr. Hawass is involved in an opera involving King Tut, as he is most commonly known. What the heck is going on here? A few quotes from Mr. Hawass. Zahi has been involved in the Ministry of Antiquities in Egypt for a long time. He's been the main voice. He seems to be the dictator of the Egyptian antiquities, and that, well, people have their own opinions about that. It says here, when you write a script for an opera, you need not to adhere 100% to history because history is boring. You need to bring the feeling, said Egyptologist said last September when announcing the project. History is boring, Zahi? Well, maybe your lame standard model of history is boring. When you make lame associations like Khafre and Khufu to the building of the Great Pyramids. What is boring about history? It's your lame acceptance of a deeper history in the land we call Egypt today. Is there any money-making enterprise you won't go into? You say history is boring, yet you were in charge of the antiquities of Egypt, the greatest historical remains we have on Earth, really? This project was announced quite a while ago. In the present situation, not sure where this is going to go. Zahi, an opera, King Tut, really? I just want to thank my subs for keep on sending me the messages. They keep my channel rolling. Literally, about 1 out of every 5 videos I make is by request. I like answering my viewer mail. People who I have not gotten back to, that does not mean I haven't read your mail. I read it all the time. Just a little overwhelmed. This was just a small thing I was doing on the side, and well, lately it's become a little overwhelming. Doesn't mean I don't enjoy it. Zahi, you say history is boring. I think you're boring, the way you look at history. Hope you thought that was cool, and you all have a very safe day.